name's Rachel Bowers and I'm doing the Masters in Marketing Management. I chose it for a lot of different reasons. I saw that there was quite small class sizes, so I thought it would be a very personal Masters. I was working before I did the Masters, so I wanted to look at the modules that would teach you the kind of skills that they wanted in industry and that employers wanted, and I saw a lot of those sort of modules in the Masters that I chose, so that was the main reason that I chose it. So I would say if you're looking into this course, definitely look at the sort of modules and the breakdown of what you're going to be doing. I'd say think about what you're really interested in, what you love doing in your undergraduate, because Masters obviously is more intense, so you really want to enjoy what you're doing. And I think about the future. Think about what you want this Masters to bring you to next, and think about the kind of skills you want to learn for your next job or for your career. And if you link that all up, then I think you'll find the right Masters. I think what will stay with me is that you can always learn more and you can always learn in a different way. I think when I came here, I saw so many other points of view, I saw different ways of teaching. I've been working with people from so many different countries and different ways of learning, and I had to kind of reset myself and think that my way isn't always the way forward, and yeah, that you're always learning more, things are always changing, and that you really need to keep on top of everything and keep educating yourself more and more in order to sort of move forward.